Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, so all the products you see demonstrated with are available to purchase from me. Shall we get started? We're creating this super simple card you see here, which is utilising one of the die-cutted cards that Stampin' Up offer, which is super cute, as well as a coordination free as a bird stamp set. So we're going to be using this main image today, as well as the sentiment. Thank you. So shall we get started? Let's move that out of the way and bring that over. So as I said, we are using one of their die cut or laser cut note cards, which is super intricate and super cute, and you do actually get this fabulous tin alongside it, so it's super cute and super useful. So because I didn't want to keep it as just that, I wanted to insert just a layer of crumb cake. This measures 13.9 by 10.3, so it's just slightly smaller, and I'm just going to open this up and just do random dots of Tombow in just certain areas. Just so it's secure onto our card. Going to place that inside, like so. So then that's nice and secured down, and we have you can see the wonderful laser cut shapes now. Although, that being said, I am going to cover it over with some of our stamps from this kit. So I am using this large bird stamp, which I'm just going to get out. Of its case, and I'm going to stamp that onto some very vanilla so it coordinates with the card in some Tombow, and that's been cut out of the nested labels dies. So just inking that up, and then I can place this down like so. So while I've got my ink out, I'm just going to grab that little thank you, quickly ink it up and pop that in the bottom corner like so. So you can already see how super quick and easy it is to make this card. To step it up a little bit, I am bringing in some of my blends, just so we can colour in the little birdies and the foliage as well as the branch. So, to start with, let's start with the birds. So we're using soft suede, light and dark, as well as crumb cake. So I'm going to start with crumb cake light, and I'm just going to colour the whole bird in very roughly, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my next colour, which is crumb cake dark, and I'm just going to go around the belly area and the rest of the bird, like so. And then again, bringing in my next colour, which is a soft suede light. I'm just going to, I prefer to use the brush ends with these, just to then go back over the next area like so, And then finally we can go in with the dark soft suede, and you see where all these little lines are? That's telling you where it's supposed to be dark. And the reason why I wasn't too concerned straight away is because I'm going to go over all of the area with the light crumb cake just to blend them out, like so. Okay, so we are putting a lot of the blends onto our little birdies. So it does mean it is going to bleed ever so slightly. However, I quite like that look, most likely because it makes it look proper fluffy, like a fluffy little chick, because I believe these are to be chicks, I think. I don't know, I'm no bird expert, but they look like chicks to me. Then, with the darkest colour, going into these lined areas where Stampin' Up have kindly provided us, so we know exactly where our tones should be. Okay, so again, I always recommend going one bird at a time, because you don't want to be distracted and then it's too late to come back in and blend all these colours. And then the dark, wherever we have these little shades, and then crumb cake light, just to blend it all together. So here I'm leaving his belly, doing the rest of him. Just around the edges. And then the dark, where the lines are. And then blend it all out with the crumb cake light. Okay, so they're super easy and super cute to do. And I'm going to use it in the medium. No, that's not the one. I'm using the light soft suede to colour in the little branch. Like so. So for the leaves, I'm using dark mossy, dark old olive even, my apologies. And just like so. So because these leaves are quite small, I'm not concerning myself with adding the light and the dark, because we just want to get the colour on there, and so it's done. And then for the flowers, I'm using dark petal pink. And with these, I'm not going to go edge to edge, I'm just going to do it in the centre, leaving the edges in very vanilla. Like that. Do you see how they look fluffy because of the bleeding? I think it's cute. You can personally use less of the blends should you so wish. That's absolutely fine. It's just for my preference, I wanted them to look fluffy. And then just to adhere this to our card, stick in plenty of dimensionals on the back. Bringing in our card base and popping that in the middle, like so. So that's super quick and easy. Yes, okay, you have a little bit of work to do with the blends, but with the note cards already done, the hard part's sorted. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the products are available as links on my online shop. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as well as share to your social media so all your friends and family can see how super fun and easy it is to make such a wonderful card. I'll see you around. Bye.